In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send newsletter emails in Shopify. Whether you're new to this or just need a refresher, by the end of this guide, you'll be ready to engage your audience effectively through email marketing using Shopify's tools. First, let's get started with accessing the marketing functionalities within Shopify. From your Shopify admin dashboard, you need to navigate to the marketing section. Once you're there, look for the option to create campaign and then select Shopify email. This is where you'll begin crafting your newsletter. If you haven't tinkered around here yet, don't worry. Shopify email is intuitive and simple to use. Now, moving on to choosing a template for your newsletter. Shopify offers a diverse range of pre-designed templates perfect for various kinds of communication needs. Take your time browsing through these options and select the one that aligns with your message and aesthetic preference. Remember, you also have the flexibility to customize a template from external platforms like Canva if you want something more unique. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to dive into the customization phase. Here, crafting a compelling subject line is paramount as it's your first chance to capture your audience's attention. Make sure it's engaging and gives a glimpse of the value the email holds. Next, verify that your sender information, including the name and email address, are accurate. This builds trust with your subscribers. Tailor the content to reflect your brand and objectives. You can alter the text, swap or adjust images, and change the layout. Additionally, consider adding product links, special promotions, and discounts to entice recipients. Including sections for testimonials, customer reviews, or even your social media feeds can significantly enhance credibility and engagement. Accuracy is key, so before hitting send, preview your email on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure everything looks polished. Before launching the campaign to a larger audience, it's highly advisable to send a test email to your own email address. This crucial step allows you to catch any overlooked formatting issues or errors and rectify them before going live. When it's time to send the newsletter out, select your audience wisely. Decide whether you want to reach out to all your subscribers or target specific groups. You have the option to send the email immediately or schedule it for later, which can be a strategic move depending on your audience's peak engagement times. Finally, there are key considerations to bear in mind as you build and maintain your email marketing strategy. Implement effective customer segmentation to ensure your newsletters are as targeted and relevant as possible. Also, ensure opt-in compliance by confirming that your recipients have explicitly agreed to receive your emails. If you operate within or send marketing emails to individuals in the European Economic Area, be mindful of GDPR regulations and ensure you include an easy-to-locate unsubscribe link. Remember, a visually appealing design that is consistent with your brand identity can make a significant difference. And don't forget the importance of testing different elements of your newsletters to continually improve engagement and effectiveness. By following these steps and tips, you'll be well on your way to creating successful email campaigns in Shopify.